we're looking at a gorgeous 1969 Ford Mustang Fastback, 4-speed, Mach 1 clone, 351 Windsor, Hurst shift kit, disc brakes in the front. Car had a full frame-off restoration, very extensive restoration, 69,000 original miles on the car. It shows on the title actual miles. The previous owner who did all the work passed on, so we don't have all the documentation on the work, but the car has been gone through. It is absolutely flawless, gorgeous inside and out, no rust whatsoever. In the quarters, in the rockers, it's beautiful. All metal, laser straight, all the gaps are perfect. The motor, tranny, perfect, running awesome. Car is real mean, sounds good, drives good. I'll point out any imperfections. The chrome is about an 8. It's in great shape. Overall, the car is absolutely stunning. Give us a call at 954-561-2499 if you have any questions. This car is beautiful. I'll put it up against any other Mach 1 on the market. The car is absolutely stunning. Gorgeous underneath. All the rockers and inside the wheel wells are perfect. All metal. Underneath the doors is perfect. As you can see, the body's laser straight. Car is beautiful. Car was done very nicely. Runs and drives beautifully. Look down the sides, it's laser straight, has all the VIN tags, all the plates, everything it's supposed to have on it. 69 Fastback. Gorgeous car. Look inside that engine compartment. It is done absolutely beautifully. It's running right now so you can see it run. Here it runs, got disc brakes in the front. Look at that engine, gorgeous. What a stunner. Beautiful. You can see, got all your tags. The compartment's nice. The paint is an excellent job. It's probably a 9.5. See the laser straight down the sides. Underneath the doors, it's all metal. There's no thickness from any Bondo anywhere. The door jambs are all perfect. The doors open and close perfectly as well. Car shows 69,923 miles. Runs awesome. Interior's beautiful. Got all your door stickers, VIN number. Everything is all there on this car. Carpet's nice, floors are impeccable. The trunk is impeccable. You see the floors, everything was done on this car. Got your console with your Hurst shifter. Car runs like a bat out of hell. Beautiful headliner. Everything is nice. Back seats probably never been sat in. Look at that. Car's a stunner all the way around. 954-561-2499 if you have any questions or concerns. We are happy to help at any time. Beautiful 69 Mustang Fastback, 351 Windsor. Look at that bad boy. You can reach us at suprememotorsusa.net, suprememotorsusa.com. Happy to help at any time. Gorgeous, gorgeous car. If you're looking for a Mustang Fastback, this is it. 69,000 original miles, actual on the title. Listen to it. Thing's an animal. Runs and drives beautifully. Starts, runs, stops, drives every time. Real beauty. We accept trades and we can ship anywhere in the world. Give us a call at any time. Been in business 44 years. Happy to help. 954-561-2499. You can call or text us to that number. Ask for Jeff or Ken. Happy to help at any time. Gorgeous 4-speed 69 Mustang Fastback, Mach 1 clone. Look at that thing, it's beautiful. All the quarters and wheel wells are perfect. You can nothing coming through here. Look at those door jambs, are beautiful. Inside now, car is a 100% beautiful car, is a knockout. I'll put it up against anyone out there on the market. Car is gorgeous. All the gaps, the trunk is perfect. The tray area, everything in the back trunk is done exactly to original, perfect shape. It's running right now, so I don't want to pull the key out, but the trunk is perfect. I can assure you that. Has a brand new, everything on this car is new. They did not miss a thing on it. So, can't build one, give us a call, 954-561-2499. You have any questions or concerns? As for Jeff or Ken, or visit us at SupremeMotorsUSA.com, SupremeMotorsUSA.net. Thank you.